Hey buddies, in this video you're gonna see many cheapest keyboards for home, office and mild occasional gaming along with their unboxing and features at SHAH INFOTECH Panvel.
Welcome to SHAH INFOTECH. Today we will show you variety of keyboard and mouse combo.
So the first one is FrontTech keyboard. Let's open the box. It has a basic design and fit for daily office use. Price is just 300. Let's see the next one, which is Geonix keyboard and mouse combo. It has good design and fit for daily office and home use. Price is just 375. Next one is FrontTech keyboard and mouse combo. It has a basic design and fit for daily office use. Price is just 400. Next one is LiveTech mini keyboard. It has a 10 multimedia hotkeys and rugged design. It is almost half the size of your traditional keyboard. Price is just 400. Next one is LiveTech wireless keyboard and mouse combo. It has 13 multimedia shortcut keys and ergonomic design. It is good to have for office, home or mild gaming. It has 10 meters of wireless range. Price is just 750. Next one is Zebronics War gaming keyboard and mouse combo. It has a braided cable, gold plated USB, 19 anti-ghosting keys and multicolor LED lights with 4 modes. Mouse also has breathing LED and 6 buttons. It has an ergonomic design. It is ideal for gaming and home use. Price is just 900. Next one is Philips wired keyboard and mouse combo. Wow, it has a premium design and guys, it is an imported product. It is good to have for office, home or mild gaming. Price is just 1000. Next one is LiveTech gaming keyboard and mouse combo with free mouse pad. It has a braided cable, 90 anti-ghosting keys and multicolor rainbow LED lights with 4 modes. Mouse also has 7 breathing colors with 6 buttons. It is ideal for gaming and home use. Price is just 1100. And the last one is Philips wireless keyboard and mouse combo. It has a premium design and is an imported product. It is good to have for office, home or mild gaming. Price is just 1500. Friends, please subscribe if you like the efforts and take good care for you and your loved ones.